So today we are making tandoori chicken. So I have already soaked these legs in salt water for 30 minutes. So that way chicken becomes very tender. And now I have sliced all over the chicken. So these slices will help us in keeping the marination stick to the legs on both sides of the chicken, I would say. Yeah. Now we are going to add the ingredients, the masala, everything over on top of this one, and we are going to mix it well and leave it for 3 to 4 hours with that marination, so that way the chicken becomes very spicy deep inside. We are going to add the spices now. The garam masala, yes, that's good. Coriander powder, 1 spoon. Little bit more. Next, red chili powder. That's good. Salt. That's good. Next, chicken masala. That's good. Ginger garlic paste. Next, ghee. That's good. A little bit of oil. That is good. Now we are going to mix it well. Make sure the every inch of the chicken is well coated with the masala. Mix it like 2 to 3 minutes minimum, because unlike small chicken pieces, the legs will be very hard to marinate. So mix it well, like 2 to 3 minutes minimum. If required more than that, flip the chicken legs continuously while marinating, so that way it would be very easy. Like squeeze the legs very hard. Now I am adding very little amount of color, because tandoori chicken means it should be in red color. If it's in plain brownish, that won't be very good to look. So add the chicken color. Once again, marinate very well. If you don't want any color, then you can skip this. It's not going to add any taste for the chicken. Is just like appealing for purpose. See, as you can see, it's very red color. It looks very nice. The presenting would be very good in this way. See, the chicken is very well marinated on both the sides of the chicken. With every inch is covered in very well in masala. Now we will be placing this in oven. Preheat the oven for 450 Fahrenheit. And while placing it in oven, make sure every masala that is left over in the bowl, add it to the chicken like this, so that way it would be very spicy. Now clean the grill and place it over the grill like this, and if there is any masala left in the container in which we have marinated, add it on top of the chicken legs like this, and make sure you have the aluminum foil at the bottom, because the oil will be get dripped the bottom over here. And leave it like this for 30 minutes at 450F, and after 30 minutes flip the legs and leave it like that for 15 minutes more. And then after 45 minutes of this in the oven, in the last 5 minutes we will be broiling it, like it means like at peak temperature. Leave it like for the 5 minutes. So ta-da, chicken tandoori is ready. You can add chaat masala on this one and some lemon and onion. That would be awesome. If you are having any hard drinks, then also it would be very awesome for as a side dish. That's all from my side for tandoori chicken.